the next upcoming performances, just gear yourself up because I don't think any of us are going to match the energy we just saw. All right. Moving on to the next performance. Any guesses from the audience what could be the next performance and who could it be? Any guesses? Some random wild ones? Siddhi's mom, friends. Any more guesses? Cousins, okay. Give more options. There are diverse set of people in this audience today, so you can do better. Friends of the groom. Interesting. Okay, now let me give you a sneak peek. Someone in the audience, one of the options is very close to what the actual answer is. So before Siddhi found her forever, found her the one, she learned love from the two people who showed her what it truly means. The ones who held her tiny hands and who cheered the loudest at every single achievement and important time. And today those two are the ones who are smiling with the fullest hearts. So tonight it's not just Siddhi's love story we celebrate, it's the beautiful love story that raised her. Put your hands together for Siddhi's lovely, sweet, cute parents, auntie and uncle.
लीला डोरानी पिया के द्वारे लाखों में एक जवाई हमारे हंस के चली लाडोरानी पिया के द्वारे लाखों में एक जवाई हमारे साथ में लग रहे कितने ही प्यारे साथ में लग रहे कितने ही प्यारे लाखों में है एक जवाई हमारे हंस के चली लाडोरानी पिया के द्वारे लाखों में एक जवाई हमारे राम जी के साथ चली जनक नंदिनी जोड़ी इनके जैसी कोई दूजी न बनी राम जी के साथ चली जनक नंदिनी जोड़ी इनके जैसी कोई दूजी न बनी देखने को आए इनको चांद सितारे देखने को आए इनको चांद सितारे प्रेम सुधा बरसाती आज बहारे हंस के चली लाडोरानी पिया के द्वारे लाखों में है एक जवाई हमारे लाखों में है एक जवाई हमारे
I have no words to describe this. Absolutely special and cute, lovely little performance. I think one more huge round of applause and some hoo-hoos to auntie and uncle, please. Awesome. The next performance, it's a bit weird for me to introduce because it's going to be me, Siddhi and one of our friends. We are a trio since 9th grade, as I told you during my introduction. And this song sequence, especially Siddhi has curated to reflect her love to the Natkhat Nautankis of Paras. And we have added our own flavor because we are the Sahelis and we are now all prepared to get the drama queen moving on with her sergeant for rest of her life. And we are also adding on to the drama. But yes, this is a little lovely curation of Siddhi dedicated to Paras.
आशिकों में जिसका टाइटल टाइटैनिक ओ आशिकों में जिसका टाइटल टाइटैनिक मुआ किनारा दिखा कर डुबा दे गया मेरा आशिक झल्ला बल्ला मेरा बलमा झल्ला बल्ला मेरा झल्ला बल्ला बल्ला हमने समझा था गोल्डन जुबली जिसे हर समझा हमने था गोल्डन जुबली जिसे वो तो मैटनी दिखा करके चुम्मा ले गया झल्ला मेरा आशिक झल्ला बल्ला मेरा बलमा झल्ला बल्ला मेरा झल्ला बल्ला बल्ला मेरे घर आया तू आया मुझको लेने दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना देने मेरे घर आया तू आया मुझको लेने दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना देने हर धड़कन में कैसा साजन जी घर आया साजन जी घर आया मन खुश आए साजन जी घर आया दिल चलेगा अब ना कोई बहाना गोरे को होगा अब साजन के घर जाना साजन जी घर आए साजन जी घर आए दुल्हन की शर्माए साजन जी घर
And while I have a set of questions for them, okay, so you have to sit, you can remove one of your footwear, and the one to answer, the one to say yes, will just hold their shoe up. That's correct.
Very anxious
And
and very confused. I hope he doesn't cheat though.
that's so full of, power. He's known for that.
And so is Siddhi.
Ooh! I think I might be adding some more questions based on this. Thanks, buddies. Okay, so it will be kind of a rapid fire. After first 5 questions, maybe I can take 1 or 2 from the audience and we go as it is. Who takes longer to get ready? Ooh! Okay. रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. Who is always right? अरे यार ये दोनों का सब में सेम आंसर कैसा है? Who is more competitive? Now they are giving me a tough competition. They are making it difficult for me. Who made the first move? Have you guys decided? I think there's a scam happening. We both have schemed up behind the scenes and doing this to me. Please, who plans the better date nights? Hey, chup karo, haan? Okay, disqualified. Both of you disqualified. I think I will need some questions from the audience. Auntie, आप कुछ पूछना चाहोगे? About आपका दामाद and बेटी. Okay. Who is more likely to forget things? अब दोनों I think we should just move on. This game is becoming a flop and I don't know how to carry it forward. चलो आ जाओ तुम लोग please. तुम लोग दोनों answer कर रहे हो same like me and me.
रब ने बना दी जोड़ी.
हाँ. क्या पसंद? PUBG गेम किसको पसंद है? likely to apologize after a fight? हाँ अभी पारस तुम मत हाथ उठा. Cute.
Because no one does.
She does. Who said I love you first? Who's a bigger baby when you get sick?
Always sick, always.
Okay. I really don't know how to analyze this game, so I'm just going on reading my questions. Who is more dramatic? I know Siddhi is dramatic, but who is more dramatic? You are seeing, right? The audience is the witness of what is happening to me right now. Who loves the other one more? Woo! It's Siddhi to late kiya, theek hai, ho gaya. The ship has sailed. She loves you more, and we call it a end for this because you both have been cheating. You both have been raising hands for everything. I think that's done. Bye bye. Thank you so much, Siddhi and Paras. And next time, please don't team up against me or anyone who is trying to do a good job. माहौल थोड़ा ठंडा लग रहा है. For the ones who don't understand Hindi, it's looking a bit cold and not so happening. So I would like to pick up some anecdotes, your memorable time, your fun incidents with either Paras or Siddhi, and in minimum, like maximum of 1 minute, you have to sum it up. Who will go first? You?
So Paras, okay fine, I am Georgina and I know Paras since high school. We are like Tom and Jerry where he's troubled me because of my height, roaming with a danda, and very naughty. We've had a musty full of relationship, I mean like full friendship, and it has been an amazing time with Paras with this full friendship, and I think all of us in the same zone, na? Salia and Cadwin, we all have memorable moments, times with him, and it's all fun only. Like I said, the fun remaining parts cannot be shared in full this thing, but it's wholesome, and we're so happy that he's getting married to the love of his life, and we are so happy that even we have Siddhi. Yeah, Paras is giving some actions from there, so I will. No.
Something that can be shared.
I
Like
think
a
so
small
many
thing.
are.
Your favorite. One that
Now
you would
Salia.
pick. I think let's finish yours and I'll move. One
I
shot.
think there are so many. There are so many. So we used to get punished outside the tuition. I think there are so many small, tiny memories. It's always been fun. Aisa to count it out is like crazy. It's unlimited, and there are more to come.
Nice. Awesome. We had a candidate from the groom side, from the bride side. Who would like to go first? It can be friends, it can be relatives, it can be cousins, uncles, aunties, parents. Great pictures of you both. And I hand over the mic to you now.
Hello, I'm Surbi. I'm Siddhi's friend since the past 3 years. We met in the PJ during our PG. So likewise, we had so many fun memories. Some which can't be shared, some which I can share with you. Siddhi has been my concert partner. We first met on Road to Ultra. Then we went on so many concerts. She introduced me to so many things. We've been recently to Sri Lanka together. So she is one of my best friends, and I'm in the first concert. So she was driving.
Let Sarthak tell how much did the concert cost that night.
So we've been first Siddhi and I met. We went to Road to Ultra. We entered the door, and within 10 minutes, 4 of us were there. And within the 5 minutes, one of our friend lost her phone. And after the concert, Sarthak lost his phone, and he was. So we were 4 of us, and 50% of the phone were lost. And still he was dancing, and after fully enjoying the concert. And after the concert, he was just dead, and Siddhi was driving. So I'm not good at telling stories, so pardon me, so forgive me. But like I wish my best to Siddhi.
So that was a wonderful anecdote, and you were a good storyteller. Thank you so much.
This is Shweta. So my childhood memory with Siddhi is like we all are cousins sitting over here. Few of our cousins, they are outside of India, they couldn't come unfortunately, and we all are missing everyone. So one of the best memory which I remember of our youngest sister is we all used to wait for our little baby to pick her up during her childhood in Dombivli. So Paras, we all are giving you our diamond to you. So we all are hoping that you will take care of our lovely diamond. So आमचं लहान पिल्लू आहे ते छोटंसं जे आम्ही आज तुझ्याकडे सोबत आहोत. ऑल दी बेस्ट टू बोथ ऑफ यू.
काहीतरी बोल. वराडीची स्टोरी अरे मला नाही वराडीची स्टोरी सांग ना. बंपी काय मी कालची स्टोरी सांगू पण स्टोरी तोंड दाखवण्यासारखी असंही लोकांना माहिती आहे पण ठीक आहे. सो मी सगळ्यात मोठा कझिन आहे तिचा आणि सो माझा काका केटरिंगमध्ये काम करायचं. आय एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम हॉटेल इंडस्ट्री. सो मी बऱ्याचदा म्हणजे मी स्कूलमध्ये असल्यापासून त्याच्याबरोबर वगैरे जायचो केटरिंगला. काही काम नाही करायचो, बस टाइमपास किंवा ॲट दी एंड ऑफ द डे पैसे मिळायचे, मध्ये पॉकेट मनी होऊन जायचे. सो नंतर कॉलेजला वगैरे झाल्यानंतर मी कधी कधी यायचो 3-3, 4-4 दिवस केटरिंग करायला आणि तेव्हा मी आकांक्षामध्ये राहायचो. तर एकदा मी कुठून तरी आलो सामान बिमान सगळं करून आणि काका येत होता आणि आय यूज टू स्मोक सिगरेट्स. सो माझ्या हाताला वास येतो आणि सिद्धी आम्ही खाली बसून झोपून टी व्ही बघत होतो आणि काकी मागे सोफ्यावरती बसली होती जुन्या त्या ह्याच्या इथे. आणि काय माहीत सिद्धी हात घेऊन असं माझं काहीतरी करत होती आणि असं मला म्हणे, ए शी तुझ्या हाताला बघ किती घाण वास तू पाजलायस ना. आणि काकीला कसं लक्ष झालं, काकी पटकन उठली, बट देन सिद्धीनेच एकदम सावरला, अरे नाही करू. आणि आय थिंक सिद्धी वॉज इन मे बी 3rd or 4th. सो दिस वॉज द मेमरी.
हाय, सो दिस इज माधवी हियर. सो मी सिद्धीची सगळ्यात मोठी कझिन. सो सिद्धीच्या मेमरीज म्हणजे शी वॉज ऑलवेज ॲडोरेबल, स्टुडियस, सिन्सिअर आणि म्हणजे असं तिचं नोटोरियस व्हर्जन आहे ना ते आय गेस मी पारस आल्यावर बघते. सो फॉर अस शी वॉज ऑलवेज द मोस्ट स्टुडियस, सिन्सिअर, मोस्ट बॅलन्स अँड येस अ यंगेस्ट सिस्टर, द क्यूटेस्ट वन.
हॅलो, मी सिद्धीची आत्या अरुणा आत्या. सिद्धीबद्दल माझी आठवण म्हणजे जेव्हा सिद्धी वॉज 18 months old, when I feel she is so clever, I was wore rings and Latkan was there. He touched her ear and then I realized Siddhi is so clever that I don't know. Okay?
1995 पासून पुण्यात येतोय आणि माझं ग्रॅज्युएशन चालू होतं अमरावती युनिव्हर्सिटीत. तर ही मुलं अक्षरशः बोलायला हरकत नाही, चड्डीत किंवा विदाऊट चड्डीत पाहिलेली आहे मी दोन्ही. आणि पारसच्या आठवणी मी सांगतो. पारस लहान असताना खूप क्यूट होता. मला वाटते आपण अनुदय त्याचं जावळं काढलेलं नव्हतं, करेक्ट. अशी त्याची पूर्ण अशी बुचडी बांधून राहायची आणि त्याची एक रडायची ॲक्शन होती, ती दाखवायसाठी खास आलो. त्याला राग आला किंवा असं काही आपण डिसअपॉइंट झाला तो असा विशिष्ट पद्धतीने रडायचा. ते मला कदाचित नाही करता येईल पण आय विल ट्राय. असा असं तोंड करायचा आणि आवाज अजिबात नाही निघायचा. कोणी असं करत रडत राहायचं. आणि आकाशातून हेलिकॉप्टर गेल्यावर त्याची काहीतरी स्टाईल होती हेलिकॉप्टर गेल्याचं. हे बऱ्यापैकी मला आठवतं. हे फातिमा नगरच्या त्या हिमालय बिल्डिंगमध्ये राहायचे आणि मी तेव्हा जस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट होत होतो, मी इंटर्नशिपला आलेलो होतो. तर त्या आठवणी माझ्या त्यासोबत बऱ्याच आहे. आता माझा एक प्रश्न असा आहे, तुला हे पिल्लू, हे डायमंड सापडलंच होतं तर ते आमच्या ताईचा तू बीपी का वाढवलेला होता? नाही, अरे तुमच्यासाठी पायंडा मी पाडून दिलेला होता, प्रोसेसची तर काही गरज नव्हती. पायंडा म्हणजे आता इथे सांगायला हरकत नाही. म्हणजे मी सगळ्यात पहिलं लव्ह मॅरेज करणार आमच्या याच्यातला ग्रुपमधला आहे. त्यांच्यासाठी सगळ्यांसाठी पायंडा होता, तर काही हरकत नव्हती. तर असू दे, काही हरकत नाही, आठवणी झाल्यात. आणि हा पण अगदी शांत सुस्वभावी, म्हणजे आम्ही नातेवाईकांच्या ग्रुपमध्ये बसलो की हा आहे की नाही हे सुद्धा कळत नव्हतं. आता मी पण हेच म्हणेल, जसं आता हिच्या जशा सवयी बिघडल्या तशा पारस लास्ट 1.5 वर्षापासून जास्त बडबड करायला लागलाय. म्हणजे कदाचित तुमचं तेव्हापासून चालू असावं आय गेस. तरी आम्ही बरंच डिस्कस करायचो, अरे हा फार बोलका झालाय. तर ठीक आहे, संगत का असर. अशा बऱ्याच आठवणी आहे. दोन्ही मुलं फार सुस्वभावी, शांत. म्हणजे अक्षरशः आमच्या ताई जिजांजींनी खूप मेहनत घेतली. मी त्यांना पाहिलेलं आहे, या पूर्ण घराला मी पाहिलं आहे. मी 92 पासून बघतोय. जिजाजींची पोस्टिंग MP मध्ये होते, ताई इथे एकटी होती. दोन्ही मुलांना शाळेत सोडणे, शाळेत आणणं, पुणा. आणि आम्ही विदर्भाच्या अशा एकदम इंटिरियर पार्टमधून आलो आहे. आणि पुण्यात तेव्हा इथे सगळं असं मॅच करणं खूप कठीण होतं. कारण मी जरी 2000ला आलो तेव्हा मला डिफिकल्ट गेलं, तर आय कांट इमॅजिन तेव्हा ताईला किती डिफिकल्ट गेलं सर. तेव्हा बिशप सारख्या शाळेत ॲडमिशन दोन्ही मुलांना देऊन शेवटी काय होतं की एक फरक पडतो, म्हणजे इन्फेरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स वगैरे येतो तो. कारण ते बिशपचं ॲटमॉस्फिअर, बिशप इज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कूल इन पुणे. आणि तिथल्या ॲटमॉस्फिअरशी मॅच करणं खूप कठीण जातं. मला आम्ही दोघं नवरा बायको जेव्हा डिस्कस करतो ना, ताईचं आणि जिजाजींचं त्या शब्दात आम्हाला म्हणजे खूप, म्हणजे आम्ही थोडं पाहत असतो की कसं केलं असेल त्यांनी. कारण माझाही मुलगा सेंट मेरीज शिकला, मला तिथलं ॲटमॉस्फिअर मॅचच होत नाही. मी एकदम आपला गावठी माणूस आहे आणि ते माझी बायको असल्यामुळे ते जमलं सगळं भजन. पण असं अजून या दोघांचं सगळं कुटुंबाचं या क्षणी मला खूप कौतुक करावं वाटतं. आणि तुम्ही खरंच इन्स्पायरिंग आहे आमच्यासाठी. असेच राहा, गोडी गुलाबीने राहा, अशाच शुभेच्छा देऊन मी माझे 2 शब्द संपवतो. ओके, थँक्यू.
Siddhi's UG friend. So Paras, first of all, congratulations. You're getting a gem of a person. But more importantly, you're getting someone who once walked an hour just because I said I was craving aloo chaat in Rishikesh. Not a famous place, not a nearby place, not even a place she could properly find. That's her, that's her heart. She'll walk through confusions, bad directions, and probably 5 extra kilometers just to make someone she loves happy. If that's not true love, I don't know what is. Paras, you're not just marrying a cutie, you're marrying loyalty, patience, and someone who will stand beside you no matter how lost the road gets. She's a piece of our heart, so love her big, spoil her a little, and on day when she misses me or us, take her for momos or aloo chaat. Because that's the way to her heart. Cheers to the lovely couple. May your life together be full of love, laughter, and lots of long walks in lives.
This performance is by one such person. Give a round of applause to her best friend Shruti.
Yeah, you got that. You got what I want, it's Sony, yeah. Mithi galla karke tu na ja gori, yeah. Hey, I think about it every day. Baby looking like Hana Kazana on a plate. Hey, like mithai, like kulfi, rasmalai, pista barfi. Sardiyan vich garmi lagdi, jad vi tu mere raah vichon chaldi. Hey, baby let me see it. I just wanna eat it. Baby let me see it. No, I really need it. Baby let me see it. I just wanna eat it.
Sayna, how you said it to me. Soni dunna, how you did it to me. Toli tolu baja raj raj ke, aur sayar manona Sayna.
My name's Cadwin. I am Paras's friend and best friend. So we've been friends for 17, 18 years maybe, school, junior college, college. So when I went to Bishops, I joined it a little late. Late as in like 7th or 8th standard. So he was the first friend I had over there. And I never realized that this friendship would go for so long, to be very honest. And it was a friendship which school, then junior college also, I think we just randomly, both of us got to know that we're in the same class. And we took admission also over there. We didn't really plan or anything. And then by some coincidence, the day we were going to college, I think I called him up and said, I'm going to this college. And he's like, yeah, even I'm taking admission in that college only. Both of us took admission also in the same college. And yeah, he's someone who was always there, to be very honest. No matter what. No, I may be someone who may not always communicate all too much, and I'm sure a lot of us might be that sometimes to our friends. But he's not that kind of a guy, to be very honest. Siddhi, you are really, really lucky to have him, because he is a guy who will always be there for any one of his friends at any time. There's not going to be a single moment where he'll say no or anything to any help. He was the best man at my wedding as well, and he gave one of the most heartwarming speeches at my wedding. And I honestly, I had a tear in my eye. So, and he's always there. It doesn't matter what the situation. And like Georgina was saying, there are a lot of instances and stories which we always speak about. And when we gather as a friend group, what we speak about, what we really talk, and those stories, I think they're better kept separate as it is. But yeah, but they're all fun. They're all happy moments, happy times. Whether it's times when you're down, whether times when you're up, he's going to be there. And you're a wonderful guy. And Siddhi, you're really lucky to have him. And I'm sure both of you will have a wonderful life ahead. Thanks. Cheers.
Siddhi's a motha bhau. I'm a little emotional right now, right? I think the introduction wasn't right. I mean, technically I might be the big brother, but truly she's the bigger sister over there, right? I mean, I'm more of a crybaby between the two of us. I think Saga cousins in the cover Kayla say, right? I mean, one of the memories that we as cousins vividly remember is, to carry her around for most of the part. But as cousins, we used to always fight ki baba mala pakrayse Siddhi la, mala haviye Siddhi. That's how we've grown up watching her. That's how I've grown up watching her. Of all the things I heard from everyone, few things that definitely strike me are, and then I kind of resonate with all those things as far as she's clever, she's much more mature. There's also another side of the story that her friends are kind of acquainted to, right? There's she's a bit naughty, stubborn. She has her own different ways of thinking of how to lead a life, right? And I'm sure that you know all of these things. So I just wanted to wish you both a really successful life ahead. I just cannot. I mean, I'm a little short of words right now. And then the other thing is, Paras, I mean, one of the things I got from your uncle or mama was basically ki tu khuba shanta mulga hai. And from personal experience, of being married, I think that's the key to being successful in marriage, right? So I mean, that was just a lighter moment on that one. But from what I've known you, and I'm definitely looking forward to knowing you much better. I'm sure you'll be taking care of a little diamond over there, a little puri over there, right? I thank you. I mean, guys, just enjoy your life. It's gonna be a wonderful journey. I know you guys are made for each other. This is just a beginning.
लगती है तू कितनी प्यारी रे, मुझे लगती है तू कितनी प्यारी रे। ओ खुशियाँ जितनी है सब ढूंढ ढूंढ के लाओ, तेरी डोली के संग कर दूँ सारी रे, तेरी डोली के संग कर दूँ सारी रे। नवराई माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग, आवड हिला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग, नवराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग, अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग। ओराई चली शर्माती घबराती वो, पिया के घर इकलाती बल खाती वो, सुरमई नैना छलकाती छलकाती वो, पिया के घर भरमाती सब जाती वो। सैया छेड़ देवे ननद चुटकी लेवे, ससुराल गेंदा फूल, सास गारी देवे देवर समझा लेवे, ससुराल गेंदा फूल, छोड़ा बाबुल का अंगना भावे, डेरा पिया का सास गारी देवे देवर जी समझा लेवे, ससुराल गेंदा फूल। सैया है व्यापारी चले हैं परदेस, ससुराल गेंदा फूल। बुशर्ट पहने खाई के बीड़ा पान, पूरे रायपुर से अलग है सैया जी की शान, ससुराल गेंदा फूल। सैया छेड़ देवे ननद चुटकी लेवे, ससुराल गेंदा फूल, सास गारी देवे देवर जी समझा लेवे, ससुराल गेंदा फूल, छोड़ा बाबुल का अंगना भावे, डेरा पिया का हो।
That was a fantabulous performance. I think those, looking at the energy, I feel so now. We are the oldies. I would now like to call Love Sharma for a quick anecdote and memory he would like to share.
Hello. Hi everyone. So I was just told a couple of minutes ago that I had to give a speech for Paras. I haven't known him that long, just about 20 years. So, I really don't know what to say. So Paras has been the glue that held our group together. Our group was very haywire. Like, for example, Salyan, Cadwin, Kurpe, they all had their own individual paths, I would say. Me too, as a matter of fact. But Paras was the glue that held all of us together. He made a stupid WhatsApp group named Lockdown Ki Board Public. So, I think because of Paras, because of Paras, a lot of things happened. So, other two. Salyan. Yeah. So this is Samay. This is my cousin and a dear friend of Paras also. Yeah. For a really long time now. And Tamim.
Tamim is also one of.
Tamim Karnalkar.
So hi guys, my name is Samay and I am very close to Paras. Paras has always been a big brother figure for me and he has always advised me really good, like for my life, for my relationships, for money management. So he has been the guy where I don't know where he came from. Thanks to Bhau. Bhau made me introduced Paras. We met through football and so on. And Paras, I'll tell you one thing. Siddhi is very lucky to have you. And I'm not even joking about it. She is. And so is Paras. Yeah, obviously. Yeah. That. But yeah, Tamim, you want to say something?
Even I was not prepared for this. पण पारस भाऊ आपले मोठे भाऊ आहे आणि फुटबॉल भाऊ मुळे भेटलेले आपण पारसला सौभाग्य आहे आम्ही पारसला भेटून आणि सिद्धी पण सौभाग्य आहे आणि पारस पण सौभाग्य आहे आणि धन्यवाद
एक शायरी तो अर्ज किया है कुछ होश नहीं रहता कुछ ध्यान नहीं रहता इंसान मोहब्बत में इंसान नहीं रहता Thank you.
I'm very surprised that Samay took Paras's advice when it comes to relationships. But I just hope that Paras and I keep making our mistakes together for the rest of our lives. Thank you.
That was fun. Next up, we have something really unexpected. I don't know, it's at least unexpected for me. It's a surprise. We have seen him as the handsome groom. Yeah. The calm one, the sorted one for the calm and balanced Siddhi. Oh, we are not having this now? Huh. Sorry, we have to postpone that performance a bit, but the surprise is still a surprise. I have not let the cat out of the bag. Next is a game that Siddhi would like to host. She will give us some guidance and set of instructions, and let's have fun.
That the song is describing about. That's it. जे पण आता एक गाणं जर चुनरीवर असेल तर तुम्हाला चुनरी उचलायची जर पाण्यावर असेल तर तुम्हाला पाण्याची बॉटल यूज करायची सो दॅट इज द गेम ओके लेट्स सी does the bride side wins or the groom side? एकेकालाच बोला. Does someone wants to come voluntarily? Okay, fine. Okay, wait. Madhavi, stand there. Someone from the groom side wants to come. Asta Bhabi, maybe. Asta Bhabi. Okay, so whatever the song describes, the team has to pick up that object, search and pick up that object. Okay, whoever does that first wins. Song number 1. Correct, bride side wins. Woo! Only, okay. Okay, ready? Next song. The groom side wins. Any one of you guys want to come? Any one of you guys want to come? Okay. Wait.
Yes. एक काम करते अपन बेड पे उठा के लेके जाते
हम भी उठा सकते हैं.
उठाओ
Right side.
Bride to groom one.
फिर अपने पास सब जितने प्रॉप्स है उतने अपने पास लोग हैं.
एक मिनट.
रेफरी. सब पीछे. नो चीटिंग. लगाओ. गाने नहीं लगाए.
The groom side dances. The groom side dances. Now the deciding one, okay? Now the deciding one.
अच्छा डिसाइडिंग वन.
जानबूझ के हारना है क्या हम लोग कुछ बार?
हार लो.
2 out of 3 तो हम हैं.
अरे जीत तो हम गए.
Now this time the losing team actually dances, okay? The losing team has to dance.
Concentrate.
The bride
inside dancing. Dance, guys, dance.
And making the reels come true and live over here. I think everyone is getting hungry and they are quite interested in what's up for dinner. But before we break for dinner and call it an end, we still have 2 performances to go. Can we have Siddhi and her cousins together for a dance performance, please? And I'm sure they are going to rock the night.
जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गया, इनको आता ही नहीं है, इनको पता ही नहीं है, इनसे होता ही नहीं है, रोमांस नहीं करते, डांस नहीं करते, इनको पड़ी ही नहीं है, मेरी ब्यूटी किस काम की, हर बात पे टिकी टिकी करते, हर बात पे ओके ओके करते, मेरे स्वीटू, मेरे जानू, मेरे सोना, मेरे मजनू, मेरे हस्बैंड मुझको प्यार नहीं करते।
महबूबा महबूबा तू है मेरे दिल का अजूबा 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 तेरे इश्क की दीवानगी सर पे चढ़ के बोले तेरे इश्क की दीवानगी सर पे चढ़ के बोले तूने क्या किया ये क्या हुआ दिल डिंग डांग डिंग डोले है दिल डिंग डांग डिंग डोले
So, I've been asked to give a speech, very impromptu. I've known Siddhi since we were 8, I think 10 years old. The most fascinating part is there is nothing common in between us. We've never been in the same class, we've never had the same hobbies, we've never had the same set of friends as well. And life has always taken us to two very different paths. We've both been very rebellious in our own ways, but somehow, I've moved abroad, she's gone to places, and over the years, I don't know how long has it been, probably more than 20 years, but this has survived, this friendship has survived, it is thriving also. Paras, as you know, Siddhi is the most selfless person ever in my life. I've seen her attending to relatives, attending to her friends, attending to her juniors, seniors, everybody. One person who comes into her contact, and if she feels that, okay, I want to pour my heart into this person, she will give more than 100%. I mean, I don't know. When I first moved to Pune, she was the first person I went to for guidance for everything. I mean, सिद्धीला माहितीच आहे की तिची माझ्या आयुष्यामध्ये काय जागा आहे ते. सगळ्या गोष्टींसाठी पहिले सिद्धीकडेच मी जाते. म्हणजे माझं लग्न जेव्हा ठरणार होतं तेव्हा पहिले स्थळाचं डिस्कशनसुद्धा मी सिद्धीबरोबरच केलेलं आहे. आणि ॲक्च्युली शी वॉज द वन बिकॉज माय हजबंड कम्स फ्रॉम अ व्हेरी अनकन्व्हेन्शनल बॅकग्राऊंड. ही इज अ क्लासिकल सिंगर. So I was very skeptical as to how to approach this rishta. But Siddhi was the one who gave me the confidence. Siddhini full that's Instagram. She stalked his Instagram in and out. I had not listened to his voice as well. But Siddhi was the one who said, go for it. Ye banda acha hai. Then we met. Siddhi met him. And then Siddhi was the one who gave her seal of approval to Parimal as well. So Paras, please take care of her. She has a piece of my heart always, and it is with you now. So yeah, thank you so much.
So let's give a round of applause to Paras and her boys.
सजना की बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना की बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है. सजना की बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना की बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है. चरणों में जो न लगा पाऊं जी मैं, चरणों में जो न लगा पाऊं जी मैं, तो मेरा जीना ही बेकार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है.
اي والله ها دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي دوس والله خوش رقصة يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي دوس والله خوش رقصة. عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب اسمها صبوحة خطبها نصيب مد يدك كنا بتعطيها كف.
उनके नशे में, उनके नशे में, उनके नशे में, उनके नशे में, उनके नशे में चलते रहे, चलते रहे. उनके नशे में चलते रहे, उनके नशे में चलते रहे. लड़खड़ाए, लड़खड़ाए
दोस्तों, ना कोई मंजिल है ना कोई साथी है, फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूं घर से. शायद जिसकी तलाश है वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है.
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना. जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम.
So whoever wants to have dinner can have dinner. Please go have dinner. And whoever wants to stay back and dance, please wait for a few more minutes. We'll dance the night out and then we'll go for dinner. Also, a small vote of thanks to everyone present here tonight. Thanks for coming. Thanks to everyone, my cousins, my relatives, Paras relatives, Paras cousins, everyone who has come from so far away places. Thank you for coming here tonight. All my friends, all my juniors who made their way possible through the hectic traffic of Pune. Thanks for coming. So yeah, you all hold a really special place in my heart for sure.
क्या डांस है
सपने में मिलती है वो कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलती है सपने में मिलती है वो कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलती है सारा दिन घूमते में बंद कुड़िया से सारा दिन घूमते में बंद कुड़िया से अखियों में खुलती है
हमारे पास भी है किसी और को कर रहा है बड़े लोग
चश्मा जचता है थोड़े मुखड़े पे काला चश्मा
Ha ha ha!